Hi, good news. Welcome everyone to our podcast of Diabetes Prevention First campaign. This is Adriana Salinas from Salt Lake City. I'm going to talk about diabetes and how to prevent it. So, what is the meaning of diabetes? This is a group of diseases characterized by high blood sugar, so your body cannot use insulin properly, and it is present among a high number of people of any age in the United States. Maybe you don't know if you have it or not. Risk factors for diabetes related complications are smoking, overweight and obesity, physical inactivity, and high blood pressure. People with diabetes can develop high blood pressure, and failure to treat it can lead to heart disease, stroke, blindness, kidney failure, amputations of the legs and feet, and even early death. I repeat, this disease can develop at any age. But good news! Most cases can be prevented. So this program can help you to know if you are at risk. You will find several health professionals, friends, acquaintances, and resources to help you by taking a pre-diabetes risk test. Let me share a story with you about Mario. He is 50 years old, a mechanical engineer. Mary has 4 children. Took the pre-diabetes risk test at the EZ Health Clinic in Salt Lake City 2 weeks ago and was diagnosed with pre-diabetes. Now he is learning how to prevent type 2 diabetes and said, I am very excited to be involved in this campaign because I'm still on time to prevent this terrible disease. Also, I am learning how to be healthy and can enjoy my life with my family. Meanwhile, you attend our educational workshops and schedule meetings with doctors, nutritionists, health educators, and coaches. We invite you to join us every Monday at 6 p.m. with different and interesting podcasts like this one. Thank you for listening.